You can add text over top by clicking on the text. And again, let's do pull focus for a minute. That's pretty neat to see. Right over Miss Thompson's, one of her important speeches, we'll type blurry. That way it explains what's about to happen.
The program allows students not only to go out of the state, not only out of the country, but out of the world.
So what it did, pull focus, and all these other things do specific acts in your video. That one makes the background blurry as the focus is put on the text that's just come across. You can adjust where your text goes just through going into a text box. If I click on the blue, and I see over here where it's texted, go font, or show font, I should say. Put it to the left, center, to the right, and then I can change my perp, make it pink, make it large, make it cursive, make it impact, all of that. I can bold, I can indent some of them. Okay, I'm done with that, but I can also make it go higher or middle. All that just by hitting enter. You can adjust things. You'll spend many hours learning all the fascinating things about this. You can watch it preview real quick.
State, not only out of the country, but out of the world.
Okay, so then I would need to reshare it, republish to iTunes. I'm not going to have you watch that again, but we have now. It's republishing. That is it. Your assignment is to create a presentation, a video of yourself that you can show to your students, telling about yourself. Add some interesting pictures of your family, of your fun activities, some video of you parasailing over summer, and just all those different things that you can do. And export it to iTunes, save it, and be ready to show it to your class. Also maybe make a couple that we can show in orientation and open house in the cafeteria, because there are many of you out there who have creativity that has not been able to be showcased yet because it's been hogged by myself and Mr. Kimler and Mr. Pike. So we encourage you all to make videos for every different opportunity and every different activity, and just get it out there and get your students making videos. The best way for them to enjoy what they're learning is to show others what they're learning. Post things to YouTube. The school has a YouTube page, the News Crew does, so I'm sure you're able to do a science YouTube page and a math YouTube page. All of those different ideas are just the beginning of what you can do with this. Hopefully this has been helpful. Hopefully this shows you that that myself and Mr. Kimler and Mr. Pike aren't as talented as you thought. It's just this software is so easy that it can make people like us look spectacular. Thanks again for tuning in and being part of this, and hopefully you'll have a wonderful rest of the summer break, and hopefully you'll all be creative geniuses, or genii, is that what it is? I don't know. Miss Baker can help me with that one later. But hopefully you guys will do fascinating things with your content and your creativity, and we can make the world a better place simply by being part of it and using what resources we have at our fingertips. This is Mr. Judson signing